Hello, everyone. We're still here, day 3 on the SEMA Show floor. We're at the GFS Global Finishing Solutions booth here with Mike Ramis. Mick, how are you doing today?
I'm doing excellent, thank you.
Awesome. So tell me, how's SEMA been so far for you guys? We're on day 3 here now on Thursday.
So day 3, we are very busy. It's been a great SEMA for us. We were a little concerned coming out of post-COVID, but the traffic has been great and a lot of interested buyers. So we can't complain.
Awesome. Glad to see it. So tell me about what you guys have here today.
So we always have our booths. That's kind of the core to what we do. So we've got our spray booths, everything from prep stations to complete spray booths. We have our side load systems, which are the highest production, and we also have our Revo, our infrared curing technology here as well. So yeah, the complete solution for a body shop as it relates to painting equipment.
Tell me about the Revo. I know there's some pretty cool features on that drying-wise.
Yeah, so the Revo is a shortwave infrared product, and it greatly accelerates the cure time. By penetrating through the paint and the substrate down to the metal, and then it heats from the inside out, and really it's a full cure in the shortest amount of time of any technology in the market today. So if anyone's interested, yeah, reach out to us. We love to do demos and show it firsthand, and when people see it, it really speaks for itself.
You guys have a handheld version too, don't you?
We do. The handheld's right there behind you. So yep, so we go from the handheld to the spot all the way up to a unit that's installed in the booth that's automated.
Incredible, yeah. So I mean, that kind of already covers my next question a little bit, but we know there's a lot of challenges, like you said, post-COVID coming into the industry. It's just, this industry is always changing. Everything moves so fast. So what challenges are you seeing in the market right now, and how are you addressing them with GFS?
Yeah, so the biggest challenge in our industry is labor and getting skilled labor. So what we're working on is we're trying to find solutions that maybe lower that technical requirement so that we make our equipment easier to use, anything we can do to make the process simpler. And then we also do partnerships with the tech schools and CREF, the Collision Repair Education Foundation. So we want to work with them to help build that next generation of technicians and painters so that our industry can continue to strive.
Awesome, love to hear that. So do you have any new products coming down the pipeline or anything you can kind of give us a little tease?
I'm gonna say no, but maybe, yeah, no, nothing that we're gonna talk about right now. But if you come back next year, then maybe we'll have something to talk about.
All right, so keep in tune with GFS and what they're doing this year next. Thank you so much, Mick. I won't take too much more of your time up here. We're going to do a little walk around and get some more clips, but thank you so much, and I hope your rest of your SEMA goes fantastic.